Yo, what's good, chat? I'm back with another video. This is a video I will be going over this week's price action, everything that went down this week, and I'll show my monthly P&L, my monthly stats, since it is a new month. We are in October now, so yeah, I'm just gonna go over this week. I'll try to do it pretty briefly, and then yeah, just go over this month how I did and how I did. So yeah, boom. Let's start off Monday. I guess I'll start on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, so Monday. I mean, is this seriously what Monday was looking like? Oh wait, no, I'm dumb. I'm tripping. Okay, so this was Monday. I'm gonna just stay on the 15-minute and not like switch time frame since I'm not trying to take a year. But so Monday, since we were at all time highs, so we are accumulating all night, all Asia, all London. So I wanted to see an AMD here. I wanted to see boom accumulation, this accumulation here. Then I wanted to see a manipulation like down here at 9:30, like here, maybe tap like this 15-minute. Then I wanted to see us distribute up here. So yeah, this is what I wanted to see coming into Monday. We are also generating some nice buy side liquidity here. We had tons of relative equal highs, and we also had relative equal highs at all time highs. So some pretty good buy side. So I wanted to see a 9:30 juice swing down, tap into this 15-minute gap, then get along. But as you see, we displaced down, we inversed this 15-minute gap to the downside. And after we did this, I was honestly bearish, but there's like no bearish targets or anything. We sort of just chopped around. Yeah, we pretty much dumped and then just chopped around all morning. So there's absolutely nothing to take on Monday. If you took a trade in this, then yeah, I don't know, man. So Tuesday, I got black, I got white. What you want? How about so that goes up in a second? Tuesday is right here. Wait, no, that's Wednesday. Where's Tuesday? Am I dumb? Did I just go over Tuesday? This was Tuesday. Okay, sorry, chat. Let me find out where Monday is. Okay, so Monday was right here. Wait. Oh my gosh. Wait, I'm doing 2 weeks ago. Wait, no, there's no way I was doing 2 weeks ago. Okay, chat. Ignore everything I was just saying. Jeez, man, it's pretty bad. Okay, Monday, 29th. Where are we? Why am I going backwards? Wait, what? Okay, Monday. Okay, bet. I found it. Okay, so here, here longs were free. We had an obvious strong liquidity over here on the high time frame. We also have hourly inversions to the upside, so obvious strong liquidity over here. So I was bullish, but we came down and made equal lows, and then just sort of went to the target with no good entries. So there's nothing there. And then yeah, 11 a.m. hit here, so there's really no trades, but a short to these equal lows would have looked nice, but it was already 11, so I didn't take anything. But yeah, so not really much went on. We sort of went up, pumped, dilly-dallied, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, nothing to take at all on Monday. Let's see what Tuesday's looking like. Tuesday's right here. Okay, yeah, I mean, just look at the 15-minute. There's nothing to take here. So what does look good is longs. We have some liquidity here. Oh yeah, I remember this. Okay, so longs look good. We have some low resistance liquidity right here. Oh no, this is actually when I had a test. Low resistance above. We were in and reacting off an hourly gap to downside. We had a 9:30 Judas swing down. So longs did look decent here, but everything just would have been break even. There would have been no wins here because we sort of just chopped around. So yeah, I actually did have a test Tuesday, so I wasn't really looking that much. But yeah, nothing to take Tuesday. Just look at this 15-minute price action. Then we got Wednesday. Wednesday right here. Okay, yeah. Wait. Is this the day? Okay, yeah. This was like the freest day. Well, would have been the freest day if there was an entry, but there is not. So pretty much, just look at this 15 minute. We're inversing every gap to the upside, inversing. We make equal highs on the hourly and 15 minute. We also have an hourly inverse upside. Actually, I'll show the hourly here because look how good this hourly looks. Boom, we come down, tap into the hourly gap. Right once we tap it, what the hell? Right once we tap, what the fuck? Right once we tap it, boom, reacts right away. Then boom, hourly inverse the upside. So this means we should at least want to hit this unfilled hourly gap above. And we also made equal highs on the hourly. So most obvious bias I've ever seen, reacting off hourly gap, hourly inverse the upside, and we have hourly equal highs and hourly unfilled gap. So as bullish as I could be. So I wanted us to come down, sweep out this low at 9:30, then get a long. Then as you could see, I'm gonna go on the 1 minute for today since today was the best day. Yeah, as you can see exactly what I wanted to happen. We came down 9:30, just swing down, swept out this low in the 15-minute gap. So I was like, okay, there's a 30-second entry right here. I'll take this. But nope. We went straight to TP in literally one candle. One candle, we went from down here to up here. That is actually insane. I was about to enter a 30-second long right here, but we just pumped straight to it. So today would have been the best day, but there's no entries. There's also a good 5 minute short right here, but there's no entry once again. So there's two potential trades on Wednesday, but there are just no entries. So yeah, pretty unfortunate. Then we went up. I didn't like anything in this, but I guess you could have taken like this and had a stop like down here. I don't know. I saw someone like Patty, PB, I'm pretty sure longed here. So I don't know how low of a stop they had to have. It might have been this long actually. But yeah, I didn't really like that. Yeah, two potential trades this long if there was an entry, this 5 minute short if there was an entry, but nope. Okay, let's go to Thursday. I got black, I got white, what you want? How about that go say? I guess I'll stay on the 1 minute for now. Thursday, 9:30. It's kind of crazy where every time there's like insane momentum, that's how you know it's New York AM. Okay, so boom. Right here, this is at all-time highs, right? Right, chat? Yeah, this is at all-time high. Wait, is it? Okay, yeah, this is all-time highs. Okay, then 9:30, we just dumped down. Nothing's going on at all. We did have some nice equal lows here. I wanted to see us get an entry for a short, but we literally just dumped straight to it, so no entries. Then we just dump. And then this was on Thursday. I swear this was on Friday. Then we got a long here. I mean, it would have been a break even. I didn't take this because like I just don't like this, and there weren't any buy side liquidity target. So I knew that. Well, I didn't know for a fact, or else I would have taken it. But I assumed this would have been a free break even since it was targeting on full 5 minute. But yeah, there's not really a point taking it if it's gonna be a break even, most likely. When I could just risk a loss, you know what I mean? So yeah, just chopped around all AM. Yeah, did we? And then we got a long, it looks like 11:07. This just is not good though. We're sort of just chopping around. High time frame wasn't clear, so yeah, I was off like 10:30 here. So yeah, Thursday there's nothing. Friday, what happened Friday? So Friday actually wasn't bad. We were at all-time highs, and then what is it? Okay, not all morning, but like 6 a.m. In like pre-market, we were trending down, generating buy side, and we are also inside of, like, go to the hourly, we are inside of these hourly gaps to the left. These are this. We are respecting all these hourly gaps to the left, and we are all time highs. So I was bullish. I really wanted to see a long targeting these equal highs. That would have looked insane. But what do you know? Right off of market open, we pumped up in one candle. We hit my draw in literally one candle. I swear this happens way too often. So yeah, longs were pretty much off the table for me after we hit these equal highs. But we did have triple equal lows and equal lows below, so shorts would have looked nice. There was a 30-second short in here. It would have been break even, but this was definitely the best trade today. I mean, not today, Friday. 30-second inverse after sweeping equal highs, reacting off an hourly gap. But we were at all-time highs. I wasn't like that bearish, so I stayed out of this. Just didn't think it looked clean enough, especially like on the 1 minute, doesn't look clean. And I was just bullish. We were reacting off all these hourly gaps to the left. So yeah, we got this 1 minute long. It doesn't really look good. And then we got a short. I mean, yeah, the bias is hard to tell here. We were just balancing back and forth between bullish and bearish gaps. So I wasn't really like for sure on the bias here. But we did get this looks like a good continuation short entry. I think there's like an SMT with these highs or something. And then we got a displacement candle. But yeah, nothing I would ever take. Then we went down, and then yeah, nothing else happened. So yeah, this week was pretty bad. Definitely some potential trades, but nothing A plus that had an entry to take this week. So yeah, just gotta be patient, wait for that A plus setup to come. There's no reason to take a trade if it's not that A plus setup. So yeah, I'm gonna go over to my monthly calendar now. Looks like we made. So keep in mind, I risk 5 to 600. I risk 5 to 600. It depends on the trade. Well, not no, it doesn't depend on the trade. It depends on I'm pretty like you can only buy up to 10 micros. That if it's not 10, it's 15 micros. So I was usually just buying like 10 micros most of the time. That is either like 5 or 10. It turned out to be like 5 or 600 between there. So that's what I was buying, 5 to 600 a trade. But yeah, once I get my payout, I'll definitely size up. Eh, yeah, maybe like 700, but I'll have like more accounts. There's not really any reason to size higher because with risking 700, you only have like 3 trades you could lose in a row. So and that's fine by me. Any more than that, you'd only have 2 trades to lose. So yeah, it says 72% win rate. I think it's higher because I think it counts my break evens as loss. Like this was a break even. Wait, was that this week? Oh shoot. Wait, did I just forget to go over this Wednesday? Oh shoot, ignore this, Okay. Wait, Wednesday? I do remember the trade I took. But it was just like a break even, so I guess I forgot I took it. I don't know. But yeah, it was a pretty good trade actually. Damn, bro, what am I doing? Wednesday. Okay, yeah, this is it. Um, this trade was literally identical to my win last week, I believe. I posted both of them in my Discord. So pretty much we went up, manipulated up, swept a high time frame hourly high. Then boom, once we did that, we got a clean 1 and 2 minute inverse to the downside, which was the entry. Stop loss was the swing high. Take profit was the unfold 50-minute. So this was really good. We had my favorite draw liquidities. We had low resistance liquidity right here. We even had triple equal lows. I forget where they were. I think they were here. Triple equal lows. And I think we also had equal lows, triple equal, maybe not. We had triple equal lows, low resistance liquidity, and an unfilled 50-minute. Lovely. 3 drawn liquidities right after sweeping high time frame hourly Liquidity, yeah, I'm short. Boom, inverse down, stop loss swing high. It's targeting, yeah, just the unfilled 15 minute down here. And I even scaled in once we got this displacement candle, scaled in here. But I scaled in like 3 or 4 cons here, but then like once we hit break even, then went back to it, uh what you call it, I like scaled back out with those 3 or 4 I bought because those like would have got break even if I would have like actually take this trade because I would have made break even here. So I like scaled back out. Um, Hopefully that makes sense. But yeah, I also trailed my stop to this high. And then I moved break even once we hit these lows right here, and then got break even here. Then take profit actually got edged, so I'm low key glad that I just got break even here and then again break even after that edge. But yeah, this was a trade. It's pretty textbook. I don't know how I forgot to go over it. Did I even go over this day? Oh yeah, where we had, damn, Wednesday was like really good. Hey, sorry about that, chat. But yeah, that was a break even. And then win, break even, win, win, win. And then I don't even want to count this trade. I took a loss August. I don't even want to count it because I that was the week when I forgot how to read a candlestick and I just sort of just like entered to enter. Like it was really bad. Um, and this one was really bad too, if I remember correctly. So yeah, coulda, shoulda, woulda though. I'm not gonna keep crying about it. But yeah, so win rate. So 2 losses, 4 wins, 2 losses, 2 break evens. I don't know how to do those calculations really, but it says 72% win rate, which is pretty solid. It's 2,400 like my month. Why does it say 2,400? I did not make 2,400. I made like 17. I made like 1,800. Why does it say 2,400? Am I dumb or is this thing dumb? Whatever. But pretty much as you can see, slight green week, 2 trades, 1 win, 1 loss. Slight green week. Risk management was there, made a little bit more than I lost. So boom, chilling. This week I went a full week, no trades, break even. Then what do you know? The next week, wait, let's see how many days I went without trading. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 days no trade, and then the 10th day, I hit a banger. So this patience pays off. Just on your good set, on your A+ setup, just size heavy on it. Um, you could be profitable taking two good trades a month. Like if you just risk good on those setups, and then you have to sort of have like winning days, on top of that. But with 2 full size good trades and then like winning days, you could get a nice payout with that. So yeah, patience pays. Also, all the profitable people I see, this is what their calendars look like. They look similar to this. The only thing different is they have like small winning days here and there because they can afford to like this. They risk like so heavy on their good setups that they can afford to like lose $200 for like a winning day or something. So they do that, but yeah, that's sort of also what gave me confidence to be more patient in my setup. Also with like back testing gave me so much confidence, but like realizing that this is what profitable traders do. Like it's fine to be patient and just wait for your good setup to come. So so yeah, took a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I took 6 trades the whole month. That's low key pretty. I mean, yeah, I think that's pretty low for me. I go over all my trades, my trade recap section, and it says like the date on them, so you could probably check that out. But I'm like itching my back if you're wondering what I'm doing. Yes, it's itchy. But yeah, man, this just shows you don't need a trade every day. I'm literally winning trade away from a payout off this calendar because I'm patient. I don't force RAM C setups. And one of the trades is this loss that was so stupid it's not even funny. So I should already be at a payout hypothetically, um, but I literally just took the stupidest loss ever because cause I couldn't tell you. But yeah, so this isn't even like my A plus like patience level, my A plus trading level. I could have traded way better without that loss. But yeah. Um, what else is there to go over? Just patience. Um, Patience is the most important thing in trading. All of my best months, they look like this. Six, I take like five, I don't know about five, probably like 6 to 9, 6 to 10 trades. Um, and they're just only A plus setups, size good on them. And yeah, man. So, so yeah, is there anything else to go over? Um, and yeah, man, I'm just gonna be same thing in October. Hopefully, we get a little bit better price action, but we could easily not get better price action because the government shut down a thing, which is pretty whack. Um, yeah, man, I'm not expecting to take a trade. You should go into each trading day. I'm unprofitable, by the way, so you could do with this advice as you will. But I have gone to two payouts before. I got one 2 months ago, then one like 4 months ago. So, and I'm like really close to a third one, so I'm sort of consistent. Um, yeah, from my experience, just patience is so important. The months where I had my payouts, where I did my best, are months that look like this, where I'm the most patient. So yeah, just be patient. And also back test your model, get confidence. Like back test it like through like a year or two or more if you want. 2 years is probably a good amount to back test. Definitely not in one sitting. Maybe within like 30 different sittings. Um, but yeah, man, that's what gave me so much confidence to just be patient because I know that my setup's gonna be there. I just gotta wait. So yeah, man. Hopefully we could secure this payout sometime next month, sometime this month. I mean, it's not gonna be the biggest. I'll try to just withdraw like at least 1,000 just to get myself back on track since I've been in a little slump. Like last month was pretty bad. But yeah, last month was like my first unprofitable month in a while, I'm pretty sure. Like July, June, and like May was all really good, I'm pretty sure. So I think I'm doing good. I just gotta keep going. And yeah, man, that's probably gonna wrap up the video. If you made it till the end, comment, comment, sup, and yeah, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Peace out.